Anda berada di paruh akhir Sapa Indonesia Pagi. Saudara, mantan Presiden Filipina Rodrigo Duterte ditangkap di Bandara Internasional Manila. Penangkapan ini atas perintah Mahkamah Pidana Internasional atau ICCC. Mantan Presiden Filipina Rodrigo Duterte ditangkap polisi di Bandara Internasional Manila Selasa pagi waktu setempat. Duterte ditangkap terkait dugaan kejahatan kemanusiaan, yakni pembunuhan massal dalam operasi pemberantasan narkoba selama pemerintahannya. Mantan Presiden Filipina berusia 79 tahun itu ditangkap sesaat setelah tiba dari Hong Kong dan langsung ditahan polisi. Setelah penangkapan Rodrigo Duterte Selasa malam waktu Manila, Presiden Filipina Ferdinand Marcos Jr. bilang Duterte telah diterbangkan ke Mahkamah Pidana Internasional di Den Haag, Belanda.
It's a request to the Philippine government from Interpol to enforce the arrest warrant, and of course we comply with our commitments to Interpol. We did not do this because it was derived from or it came from ICC. We did this because Interpol asked us to do it, and we have commitments to them, and we lived up to those commitments. The plane carrying former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte took off at 11:03 p.m. this evening and exited Philippine airspace. The plane is en route to The Hague in the Netherlands, allowing the former president to face charges of crimes against humanity in relation to his bloody war on drugs.
Informasi tadi sekaligus jadi penutup jumpa kita di Sapa Indonesia Pagi. Terima kasih sudah menyaksikan. Saya Adisila Rasati.
Saya Maria Sarong, pamit undur diri. Sampai jumpa.